Rapunzel, Moana, and the Harvest Moon Festival. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, Rapunzel received a special invitation from her friend Moana. Moana, the fearless and adventurous princess of the island of Motunui, wanted Rapunzel to join her for the annual Harvest Moon Festival. It was a time when the islanders celebrated the bountiful harvest and honored the full moon that shone brightly in the sky. Excited to experience a new culture and tradition, Rapunzel eagerly accepted Moana's invitation. She packed her bags with her paintbrushes, her trusty frying pan, and a sparkly new dress made of the finest silk. With a wave goodbye to her beloved parents, Rapunzel climbed down her tower, using her long golden hair, and set off on a magical journey to the island of Motunui. As Rapunzel arrived on the island, she was greeted with warmth and kindness by Moana and her people. The island was alive with music, laughter, and the delicious smell of roasted pork and sweet fruits. The villagers danced around bonfires, their bodies covered in intricate tattoos and colorful flowers. It was a sight unlike anything Rapunzel had ever seen in her kingdom. As the sun began to set, the harvest moon rose in the sky, casting a gentle glow over the island. The festival was in full swing, with games, feasting, and performances taking place all around. Rapunzel marveled at the vibrant colors and the joyful spirit of the islanders as they celebrated their traditions. But suddenly, dark clouds rolled in, obscuring the moon's light and casting a shadow over the festival. The villagers gasped in dismay as the moon's glow dimmed and the magic of the Harvest Moon Festival was disrupted. Moana knew that something was amiss and turned to Rapunzel for help. Together, Rapunzel and Moana set off on a daring adventure to uncover the cause of the storm and restore the festival's magic. They ventured deep into the heart of the island, following a mysterious trail of glowing footprints that led them to a hidden cave. Inside the cave, they discovered a mischievous spirit, a tiny sprite named Piko, who was trying to steal the moon's light for himself. Piko was a curious and playful creature who loved shiny things, but didn't realize the harm he was causing by disrupting the festival. With Rapunzel's creativity and Moana's courage, they worked together to convince Piko to stop his mischief and return the moon's light to its rightful place. Rapunzel painted a beautiful mural on the cave wall, depicting the spirit of the harvest moon and reminding Piko of the importance of sharing and caring for others. Moved by the mural and touched by Rapunzel and Moana's kindness, Piko's heart grew 3 sizes that day. He apologized for his actions and helped them bring the moon's light back to the festival, where it shone even brighter than before. The villagers cheered and danced under the restored harvest moon, grateful for Rapunzel and Moana's bravery and friendship. They embraced Piko as part of their community, sharing their traditions and learning from his mischievous ways. As the festival came to a close, Rapunzel and Moana sat together on the beach, watching the moon rise high in the sky. They realized that even though they came from different worlds, they shared a bond of friendship that transcended all boundaries. And they knew that they would always be there for each other, no matter where their adventures took them. And so, the Harvest Moon Festival ended on a bright and magical note, with Rapunzel and Moana's hearts full of joy and their spirits lifted by the power of friendship and tradition. And they knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, they would always have each other to lean on, just as the moon and the sun would always rise and set in the sky, bringing light and hope to all who believed.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.